Do you have a lottery ad set up for all of your books? Like all of them?
No.
Oh,
No, I
really?
don't.
Okay. Yo, we need to
A
get that set
lotto
up.
ad is that just an auto ad or you said a lotto ad?
Lottery ad. Lottery ad. Do you have
What?
that?
No, I'm not sure. I don't
No?
even what's like.
Okay.
No,
I'll,
I
I'll,
missed that.
I'll, I'll, okay. We'll set that up today. But basically, what it is, it's an auto ad. So all four auto ads, right, in one. And for the book that you choose every single paperback, hardback in your campaign or in your catalog. So all your books. I don't bother with the ebooks, but all of them. And you bid at 6 cents down only and turn all your placements like top of search, all your bid adjustments, just throw those at 100% and then hit launch. That's essentially how you do it.
Oh,
And then you never think about it again. Like you think about it in like 3 months. And then in three
okay.
months, you'll simply turn off books that haven't made any sales in like 50 clicks.
Okay.
But what this is doing is this just allows Amazon to find very, very low cost, low hanging fruit for you to get additional sales on.
Is that so you said all my paperbacks in my catalog entirely?
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Just hit me up if you got
Even
questions,
even dead books?
especially dead books, because it gets them
Oh,
selling.
right. Okay. Okay. Cool.
Sounds good.
Thanks. Yeah.
Awesome.